Alright folks, we're trying to reconnect these wires and hoses, figure out which one goes to where. Anything you want to add, Pops?
I'm so confused.
There we go, that's better.
Maybe we should have drawn a picture better.
Maybe we should have taken a picture with our phones.
Oh, that wouldn't help.
I think it would.
That was my ADDD. Okay, this is F. F goes here. Why? Because there's an F there. Okay, this one is G. G goes here. Oops. Right. There we go. And it only goes on one side. You know why?
Why?
Because if you look over here very carefully over here, we broke the plastic.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the question. How do we know which hose goes where?
This is the question.
Aha! Big.
Yeah.
Big.
Okay.
As you can see. Big. So big to big. So it goes like this. Big to big. Alright. There we go. Big to big. Ugh. Now, this. Oh wait, let me get this star to star. Come on, baby. Star to star. There we go. There we go. Star to star. These three go together here. And that, folks, is my air pollution. Now we connect the gas line. This is B.
Hold on.
B to B.
You're connecting that, but what about this?
Oh, wait. That's the other port that goes there.
Okay, well you still have this here to this connector.
Yeah, probably I haven't added the port there to it yet.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, sure. Okay. Like, I bet you these two are down here somewheres. I bet you. That's one.
I have to cut this in order to...
What? Is it down there?
I have to look. I can't feel anything else.
No, then let me feel.
I don't feel nothing else. I don't see nothing.
This I know is definitely that one. Because this will tell you where it belongs. If it's in here, see where it goes?
Yeah.
Pointing down, so it's got to be down there somewhere. So let me connect this so we don't lose it. There we go.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on, let me... Alright, let's see. You... Only one. So, you go like that. Alright. And... You. Ooh, I should have never connected that. Not gonna have problems. See that? Got problems. Always problems, folks. Always. Nope, that don't go there. Ah, there it goes. I bet you.